This is 144 Bolling Drive. It's half of a duplex, and the other half of the duplex is on that side, has its own garage, and then there's another duplex on that side that has garages. Really kind of neat because it means you get an end unit no matter where you are because it attaches at the garages. This is over on Bolling, Langley, which is really near Husson University. The Bangor International Airport is over on that side. The Army National Guard is over on that side. And then there's a bunch of strip malls like Hannaford and McDonald's and that kind of stuff. So it's a really neat spot, kind of right in the middle of Bangor, but fairly still quiet. These are all townhouses. Most of these units are 3 or 4 bedrooms. Again, they've got a 1-car garage. This unit the tenant just moved out of and has a few things left to grab here. But they were really great tenants. They bought a house big enough to park a car in and still have some room for storage in the back. The garage, these buildings were built in the 60s, so a little newer than some of Bangor. There is a back door into the backyard from there too, but still newer construction because most of Bangor, is 120 to 150 year old versus 50 or 60 years old. This was just rehabbed a year ago. The folks that were here a year and have bought a house. So inside is a lot fresher. They went through, redid all the flooring, repainted everything, new light fixtures. It's got hardwood risers that they had refinished. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. So as you walk in, appliances are replaced as well. Our cleaner still needs to come through and do a quick clean through, but to be frank, they left it great. It's a matter of touch up on appliances and bathroom, etc., minor stuff. Have a washer dryer hookup side by side. Appliances again are stainless. The water closet here has a water meter and then a couple of shelves, and there is room for either an island or a table, depending on what tenants want to do. As you walk in, it does have a coat closet right here. It's good size. The neat thing about these being built, again, not new, but newer for this area, is that most of our stuff being 120, 150 years in our area has very tiny closets or no closets even in a lot of units. These have really huge closets. So big living room. In fact, some people will stick a desk or something over here. These do have nice backyard. There's a break between tenants. They put up a privacy fence, so you really do kind of get your own yard. The owner does a lawn in the snow, and then there's trees behind, which gives a nice shelter from the street behind. The unit does have 2 thermostats. It's got one here, and then there's one upstairs. There's another closet here, which has got some built-in shelving, has a hot water heater for the unit. And then you've got a 1st floor bedroom and a 1st floor bath. So this is kind of neat if anybody's got family or somebody that lives with them or whatever that might have accessibility issues. You've got a 1st floor bedroom if you want it. Neat thing, of course, it has its own bathroom. We do have some tenants that will use these as like an office, and then the bathroom can go with the whole 1st floor too. Again, big closets, nice space. This is that 3/4 bath. It has a full bath upstairs, so tub, shower upstairs. And then this is a 3/4 bath. It has a shower behind the door. Still pretty good size. And this was all renovated. And then upstairs, we've got 3 bedrooms and the full bath. And I will say 2 of the bedrooms are just, gigantic. And the 3rd one's decent size too. So as you come up the stairs, you've got bedroom, bath in the middle. This is a really big bedroom. Do a king-size bed set, not a problem. Has a big closet. You can see what I mean about, they're deep enough to actually put a bureau in if you want to. It's got some space over here. And then it's got the full bath here, which has that, as I mentioned, tub, shower. And then linen closet. This is the smallest bedroom. I think it still would do a queen size bed if somebody wanted, but oftentimes it gets used for an office or, a full or a twin. And then it has another big closet, again, deep here. And then on this side, you've got the sort of gigantic, you can fit king size set and still have some room left over. And this one, it's really good size. And it's got that gigantic closet again. So just kind of neat use of the space. Has the second thermostat. So again, the owner pays to heat with these too. So it's kind of nice from that perspective. And so that finishes 144 Bolling. It's 136, 138, and then 142 and 144. There are this exact same design, wall colors, floors, etc. So all those units were done at the same time. And I assume over the next year or so, we'll have some more of these that come up and people can view them. If you'd be interested, visit our rentbangor.com and do an application.